In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Facebook Marketplace nationwide in 2026, step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving on, because Marketplace features and filters may not appear correctly if you're browsing without access to your account. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This will take you to Facebook's buying and selling section, where you can search for items listed by people in different locations. If Marketplace doesn't open right away, give it a moment to load, since search results and filters can sometimes take a few seconds to appear. Next, go to the search bar and type in the item you want to find. Try to be specific with your search terms so your results are more relevant. For example, searching for an exact product name will usually give you better results than using a very broad keyword. Once your search results appear, click on location. This is the key part if you want to search beyond your immediate area. From here, change your location or increase the search radius to the largest available distance. This helps Facebook show listings from much farther away instead of limiting results to nearby sellers. After adjusting the location, look for the shipping filter and enable it if it's available. This is especially useful because nationwide results are often easiest to find when sellers are willing to ship the item rather than requiring local pickup. Turning this filter on can help you uncover listings from across the country that you might not otherwise see. At this point, you can start browsing the nationwide listings, scroll through the results, and look closely at the item details, seller information, and delivery options. Since you're searching more broadly, it's a good idea to pay attention to shipping costs and item condition before deciding to contact a seller. If your results still seem too local, double check that your location settings were updated correctly and that the radius is set as far as possible. Also, keep in mind that some listings may still be prioritized based on relevance, availability, or whether shipping is offered. And that's how to search Facebook Marketplace nationwide in 2026. Once you know where the location